Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about how the program we have written works. It is a simple program consisting of 120 lines of code, which will be explained in three parts by three group members. I, John, will be explaining line 1 to 40, while my group member Chin Kun will be explaining line 41 to 80. Meanwhile, my third group member Zachary will be explaining lines 81 to 123. First of all, we have the two libraries that are stdio.h and string.h. These two libraries provide us with the necessary commands so the program is able to run. We then create a structure called info, and inside there we enter our variables such as characters for code and model, and then float for price and total because there are decimal points, and then quantity we use integer as it's a whole number. Coming out from the structure, we have three functions, that is get name, get price, and get total. Moving on onto the main function, we created a structure called info and an array called model with three elements. And then we also entered our variables such as the integers, characters, and then floats. We also created a file to put in our gift values. The file is called gift.txt. The program will then print out the codes for the product and the price. For example, code A is a MacBook Air with the price of 4,199 ringgit. The code I is for an iMac priced at 5,099 ringgit, and so on. The program will also then prompt the user if the user wants to buy any of the products, as you can see in line 29. Then moving on, we have an if-else statement. If the option is Y, the program will then run into a loop which prompts the user to enter the code for the product he intends to purchase.
Okay, now I'll pass the mic on to Chin Kun to explain his part of the code.
Okay, here
Chin Kun?
we're going to use a for loop. The function of the for loop is to get the info of the user 3 times. From here, the user can choose between 3 different products. He can also enter the desired quantity. After the user has been asked for the input 3 times, he gets the option to choose whether to continue yes or no. After he chooses either yes or no, for example, if he choose number 1, he gets a free earphone. If he choose number 2, he gets a free speaker. If no, he doesn't get any gift.
Okay, thank you Chin Kun. We now pass the mic on to Zachary to finish explaining the program.
Next,
Zachary?
we have the function getName. This function is to tell the program what is the name of the product. We use a switch case to determine what code refers to what product name. For example, code A refers to MacBook Air and so on. Next, we use an if-else statement to pair the price of the product to the chosen product. For example, on line 104, if the code is I, the price is 5,099 ringgit. The statement then returns the price and proceeds to multiply the price of the product with the quantity of product and returns the total price that needs to be paid. The program then prints F, the total price and free gifts received. That's all from us. Thank you.